Coolly goals. Let's hit it. Finish with class, get to go home. It's too goddamn humid at the moment to just even think about going for a just general joyride. Home time, home time. But I got assessments to do, which is shit. Got 2 due next week. So I need to get on top of that. Yeah, these are the little speed bumper boys. Oh, clouds are so goddamn dense. I don't know if it's gonna rain or what. But there's so much, not just clouds, but it's just smog from somewhere too. Okay, Mr. T-Rex hands. Yeah, the humidity's getting to me. My back's already freaking sweaty, and this backpack is making it uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable. That's the worst thing about humidity too, is no matter how fast you decide to ride, because of the humidity, you ain't cooling down anytime soon. Yep, class is on with, and I need a lot of practice doing illustration work, because I'm a little bit on the not so good side. This is what happens when you lose motivation and, you know, you don't do the thing, your hobbies and stuff as frequently as you used to. You kind of lose touch with the skills. Mind you, in saying that, when it comes to like drawing people and stuff, I have gotten better, but drawing like prospectively, that's where I'm struggling at right now. Well, I think not right now, but I've always had issues with drawing perspective. Because, you know, drawing 2D and flat is relatively easy, but once you start adding depth and all that stuff to it, the complexities start stacking up essentially. There's nothing wrong with being complex, but just, you know, you need to find those cheats to get the desired looks you want. But anyhow, my pig's home. I got a graphics design assessment to sort out for Friday, coming up Friday, as well as analysis to be done on artwork and whatnot. That's due also that same Friday, so I need to crack on with it. Thankfully it's 750 words, which isn't too bad. I don't have to lay bullshit a lot. Because I had to do I think a 1,000-word essay on breaking down I think one of Da Vinci's, or the creation of Adam painting, and a sculpture, I believe. And I did a 1,000-word on each, which was wasn't too hard actually. It's not too hard to BS and draw conclusions from other people's stuff, because with the uni essay that I had to do, I had to essentially find other people who had the same opinion as me and, you know, use their words to justify my ideas essentially. Which, yeah, wasn't too hard, because kind of shared the same ideologies with a lot of other people that have analysed that kind of stuff. There's not a hell of a lot of varying degrees of opinions essentially. Like, yeah, multiple opinions, but the types of opinions are kind of Same across the board. Now how this fool, yeah, I was about to say, how this fool not hear his indicators clicking away inside his cabin? Do I go the scenic route, or do I go the straight route home? That's the big question. I don't understand people. They get in the fast lane and they don't keep a decent pace above the speed limit, and then they get all antsy when you ride up their ass or try to go around them. They purposely like block you off. Like that dude, he saw me coming up. Hell, the truck even moved off out of the way. Now, like literally just now, he indicated into the left lane to get out of the fast lane. Like, I'm curious what thought process goes through some people's heads when they're driving. I'm assuming not too much, considering the stupid shit that they pull. But yeah, no, definitely last Saturday, I was spewing so much, I nearly got taken out by a car. And as someone who's already been taken out by a car once, a lot of the times it's the bike riders that cop everything, and especially when they're in the right too, they cop it all. Now I feel like a wet spot coming up on my back. I need to pull over a little bit and check my backpack, because I really hope it isn't my water bottle in there leaking, because I am going to cry, because my iPad's in there as well. But move! Holy shit! There's no fucking one coming. So stupid. You see two people coming from the opposite direction, not going your way. You have the right of way. It can go. But no, you stop. It's a give way, not a stop. I swear I'm not an angry person, but people just do stupid things that get on my nerves. It's like they just think of exactly what they're doing right now and that's it. They don't look at like, okay, no vehicles, okay, let's start making a move, rather than let's hold and wait for two cars to pass, not going my way, which means I have right of way, and just, you know, sit and wait until those are moved on, and then more cars that are going your way, which means you do have to give way. It's just like, brother, are you missing a few chromosomes? Blink if you can. At that rate, blink if you can. One, two, three, 4 truckos. One trucko, 2 trucko, Yeah, freaking hell, 95 is $2.24. I can't imagine how expensive 98 is. Wouldn't be surprised if it's like $2.50 a litre. Fuel prices are killing me, cause my bike likes to drink that shit like water. Now, I am wondering whether or not I should pick up food on the way home. It's kind of odd, 2 o'clock and the traffic is kind of like not heavy but getting there. It's a little bit